We're going patriotic in this installment of the paint-off series. Stick around, now I'll show you a couple of tips for laying down vinyl stencils.
Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint Shop. I want to give a special thanks to all my subscribers out there that got me to my 1,000 subscriber goal. This video is also part of a paint-off between myself and Drunk Monkey Garage. So head over to his channel and check out his content and subscribe to his channel. Let's get him to that 1,000 mark also. These two toolboxes will be given away in a live event towards the end of October. When we're finished with our toolboxes, which have been following our content, you know it's getting pretty close. So go ahead and make sure you tune in for that, because you could be a lucky owner of one of these custom toolboxes. I'd also like to give a special thanks to Adam Paul over at Limeline Paint Supply /Time Warp for all his support for my YouTube channel. Now enjoy the video.
First, we're going to mask. The vinyl fine line tape allows you to get nice clean edges. We will then finish masking the area off with some 1-inch masking tape. We will now apply white base coat. Remember, spraying several light coats results in better coverage using less paint. Here's my first stencil tip. Here I pre-mark reference lines on the stencil and on the project area. This helps get perfect alignment when applying the stencil. My second tip is to use transfer tape on your stencils. This helps tremendously in placing and laying down the stencil. I'm getting ready to spray red base coat, so here I'm masking off all the areas that won't be red.
That's really quite clever, isn't it?
Now I'll carefully remove the stars area and I will place it back onto the vinyl backing paper to save for later. Now we're getting ready to spray the blue base coat, so we'll mask off everything that's not going to be blue. We will now take the stars piece we saved and place it over the blue area. As you can see, I used transfer tape to assist in placing the vinyl. We will now use white base coat to make the stars. We will now carefully pull the masking for the flag. Always try to use one of these plastic razor blades when removing your vinyl. This prevents you from nicking or scratching the surface. Next, we're going to add some silhouette soldiers over the flag. Tip number 3 is to use your plastic razor blade to rub down on the top of the transfer tape. This helps to get the vinyl stuck to the surface while pulling off the transfer tape. We will now lay down some lime black base coat. Remember to build up with light coats, letting the paint flash off in between coats. This helps cover over those stripes with less paint. We will now shade in the border with candy black. You could also use over-reduced base coat black. We will now unmask and check out the masterpiece. Alright guys, that wraps up this custom American flag toolbox with the soldier silhouette laid over the top. Hopefully those tips on laying vinyl stencils helped you out on your own projects. Don't forget, if you want to try the same products I used, you can get 10% off Limeline supplies with the link down in the description. And if you're really enjoying these builds and want to support the channel, you can hit that super thanks button. Every bit goes right back into making more custom paint content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.